Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Smart TV. And in today's video, I will show you how to simply use your phone as a remote control on your Google Smart TV without any stress. Just like what you see on the screen right here, control the entire TV, launch apps and websites from your smartphone, mouse and keyboard, video control, gesture for scrolling and zooming as the case may be. This is how it works. Scan the QR code or search for this particular Zeus remote in the Google Play Store for Android phone. If you are using iPhone, you can as well search for this particular app on your App Store. Download and install it. After a successful download and install, you just want to come back to this particular browser right here on your Google TV. So let's see how you can download and install this browser on your Google TV without any stress. That's the first thing you want to do. So for that, we want to make sure I'm going to go ahead and close this particular tab right here. Then next thing I'm going to do, you can see the name of the browser is Internet Browser. You can as well get this particular browser from your Google Play Store on your Smart TV. So let's go ahead and go to the Home tab right here. And the next thing you want to do from Home tab, go to Settings right here. And then go ahead and click on All Settings. Then go ahead and make sure you navigate to Apps. Click on Play Store. Open. Then go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here. Click on Search. Then go ahead and simply type in Web right here. Go ahead and type in Web. And hit on Search. Then this is the browser right there. Click on Internet Browser. Make sure you download and install this CLOS web browser for TV. After a successful download and install, hit on Open, and it's going to take you to this interface right here. You can do a lot of things with this browser on your Google TV. Now, for you to use your phone as a remote control, you just want to make sure from the Home tab right here, navigate to Zeus TV Remote. Go ahead and make sure you click on it, and then you want to make sure that you simply scan this QR code on TV right here, or better still, search for this particular app on Google Play Store for Android phone or App Store on iPhone. After you download and install, pair your phone with the TV and make sure that you are using the same internet connection between your TV and your Android or iPhone. Make sure you are using the same internet connection. With that, you'll be able to pair your remote. You will be able to pair your phone as a remote control of your Google TV. Simple as that. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Google TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.